Today in our 2017 Chevrolet Equinox, we'll be installing the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness for a factory tow package. This will give us a 4-pole flat trailer connector. Part number C56210. Now here's what our wiring looks like installed. As you can see, we can mount it on the outside of the vehicle. Now this wiring gives our typical 4-pole flat trailer connector. This will allow us to have all of our required lighting by law in order to safely tow our trailer. We'll have our turn signals, our brake lights, and our tail lights, and then whatever running lights that are on the trailer as well. Now we'll begin our installation by opening our hatch. We'll take off our spare tire cover here and set it aside. Now on the driver's side of our vehicle, right down here you can see a gray connector. We grab this connector. This is our factory tow package connector right here. We'll take the end of our new wiring harness, plug it in until it clicks, and you can see it's secure. This wiring harness is typically designed to be stored inside the vehicle, and when you need it, you can drape it down out here to the side of your hatch latch. Close your hatch on up, and you can hook up to your trailer down here. When you're not using it, you can store it underneath your spare tire cover. Our customer today requested to have this on the outside of his vehicle, so we'll route this to the outside through a grommet. So right here there's a grommet. If we grab it, we can pull it up. Okay, so we push the grommet through the bottom once we had it pulled out so we can have better access to make a notch in it for our wires to pass through. So use a pair of side cutters here to snip through this. Okay, now we can push it back on up and we'll reinstall it from the top. Okay, we'll grab our 4-pole flat trailer connector here. I'll push it through that hole. Okay, with our wire pushed through, we'll push our grommet back down in position so it's secure around our hole. Okay, snap back in all the way now. Okay, with our connection made, we can now put our hatch cover back in. Close our hatch on up. We'll go underneath and seal up our grommet with the silicone now. Get some of my finger here, just smeared in that crack. This will keep any moisture, dirt, or debris from entering our vehicle or exhaust fumes. We don't want any of that coming inside. Once that's sealed up, we can move on to the next step. Now we can take our included dust cover, slide it over our wiring here. We'll bring our wire on up here and we'll secure it to our safety chain loop here on our hitch. Close the dust cover up around it. This way our wiring is readily accessible when we need it. And we'll secure the rest of our wire up here with a couple zip ties so it's up out of the way. It's already an existing hole here in the body. We can use this as a place to tie down to. Trim off our excess zip ties. Now we can test our wiring before we hook up to our trailer. We're using part number I26 for this tester if you'd like to purchase one. Alright, we'll start by turning our headlights on. And as you can see, our tail light functions for our trailer to be working. Use a left turn signal. Right's working as well. Now I'll step on the brakes. As you can see, all of our functions are working. And that completes our installation of the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness for a factory tow package. This will give us a 4-pole flat trailer connector, part number C56210 on our 2017 Chevrolet Equinox.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.